a look at plant nutrition and why plants actually need nutrition. So plants make glucose sugar by the process of photosynthesis, as we've seen in our previous lesson. For healthy growth, they also need to absorb mineral salts that are dissolved in soil water. So mineral salts contain elements such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and magnesium. Water and mineral salts are absorbed from the soil by the root hair cell, which cover the surface of the roots, and these cells greatly increase the surface area for absorption. You can see the diagram on the right-hand side. This is a single root hair cell of a plant, and the root hair is absorbing the water from the soil, and the minerals are within the soil itself. And those minerals from within the water in the soil comes into the root hair cell. There are three different types of elements and nutrients that plants need. First of all is nitrogen, and nitrogen is needed because it helps to make proteins for good growth for the plants. Magnesium is required because you need to make green chemical called chlorophyll. And remember, this is needed for photosynthesis for the plants to make food. Without chlorophyll, the plants will not be able to make food for themselves. And phosphorus for good root growth for the plants. So this is specifically for the roots of the plants. Okay, have a read of this again and enjoy yourself when you come to answer the rest of the questions. And we'll follow these up in our next class. Thank you.